Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make multicolor gradients in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer and apply. For this, apply anything. Example, I apply this. Hold shift, click and drag on your mouse. Do not use stroke. Then hold control middle, click effects, gradient overlay and click the gradient. Select any plate or create a custom plate. I use custom plate, then double click, use this color on and again click this, use color 2, use same process 3, 4. Okay, and click this new. Now see this, create a new gradient plate and see this, use style, see this many styles, move liner, radial, reflected diamond. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.